Bienvenidos, welcome back to my channel for another great video. I can't wait for you guys to see my upstairs loft. A lot of people don't know that I have a second living room that I usually don't show because the lighting there is not too great, but this time I decided to decorate there for fall, and I definitely want to share that with you guys. If this is the very first time you've seen any of my videos, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3 little people, and I do home tours, and basically my channel is a lifestyle channel. If that interests you, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any other videos coming from me. But without further ado, let's take you upstairs and see what the video is all about. Let's go, guys. Okay, so we are going to start over here. So for those who know my channel, you know that I always switch my layout in my home, and I'm going to show you guys how big this space is and what I did with it. But so far for fall, I decided to add these beautiful vase that I painted white, and also this right here I also painted white, and I just put some like hair looking straw thingies in there and right on top of on the wall is this navy blue and white, it's very pearly, beautiful wall art, which I love. I got this from Goodwill. And my table and my chairs, if you are interested, is from American Furniture Warehouse. I will also give you a better look, but as of right now, this is what it looks like. Here is empty, and I like it that way. And also the window is the exact same way on the other side. So when we come forward, you have this beautiful mirror. And let me come close for you guys. This mirror is from Home Goods. It was hanging on the wall, and I will show you guys where this mirror was hanging at. And I just placed it here. I love the fact that when you come in, the mirror gives you this light and it makes the room feel bigger. Not like it needs to be any bigger in here. But yeah, this is the table as I was showing you guys. This is the up close of the table, and I love this, guys. The simple look of this. As you know, in my previous video, I live for simpleness. I prefer to have simplicity than have a lot of things. It gives me anxiety, hence why my name here on YouTube is living clutter free. I don't like clutter. I don't like small knickknacks. I feel like I'd rather have big decors that I love than have small decorations. And this wall I kept like this. When you go downstairs, this is it takes you basically downstairs because this is a loft space. I'm trying to move this, and I'll show you guys where I'm going to put it pretty soon, but for the sake of the video, just to bring this video out for you guys, I didn't want to do all of that. So this is where we were previously, and then when you turn around, you go into what I call the sitting area. So let's go closer. And I love the simplicity of this place, guys. Sorry, when you have kids, you get dirt. So I'm gonna clean that up. But I have these 2 chairs here from American Furniture Warehouse. And I love these chairs. I love the fact that it has the studded look on there. And the pillow covers are from IKEA, and I just added, pillow insert in there. When you turn this side, you have this huge table from American Furniture Warehouse. It's the sister to this table right here. But I just love the fact that it's all glass and it's beautiful. And you wonder, Gladys, why don't you have anything in there? That's how I like it. I like it simple. If I do put anything on the table, it would just be like a huge vase or one piece. I don't like small things. I don't like too much decor on the table. I feel a lot of anxiety. For those who understand, that's good. And here I have this beautiful chair, guys. Don't you love this chair? You won't believe this chair is from Goodwill. However, this chair is a Target brand. Well, they sell it at Target. I don't know if it's a Target brand, but I love the way this chair looks. Let me come closer. It's just this perfect navy blue. As you know, navy blue is what I breathe for. Here it's a color that I can handle. And this table on this side is also from Goodwill, but it's also a Target table. So what do I mean by that? Goodwill sells Target items when they don't sell in their stores, or when it's the last one they have a partnership or maybe a contract with Goodwill, so they provide them those things. So when I see a blue tag at Goodwill, for any of my Goodwillers here, leave a comment below. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about, because I feel like I'm just rambling on. So this table is from Goodwill as well. And the pillow on here was a gift from my friend. I believe she said she bought it at Home Goods or Burlington, I'm not mistaken. It says love on there, and I love that color for fall, even though it's gray, but it gives you that, you know, warm color for fall. And on the table I decided to add this beautiful floral, which is from Home Goods, and this is also from Home Goods. My throw blanket, I get a lot of likes and questions about this throw blanket when I do a video or take a picture. It's also from Home Goods. Now here, remember when I told you guys I was going to put that picture right there? I removed this mirror from this wall, and I'm going to put that picture that I just showed you guys behind me. I'm going to put it right here so that it can have the, you know, that gray aesthetic. I really like that look. So let's go closer right here. Inside I have this sign that says our home, and I got this from Goodwill as well. The vase, which my florals are in there, is from Goodwill. This vase right here was this decoration. I don't know if it's a vase really, but it was gifted to me on my wedding day. And this one right here is from Family Dollar, the globe. These two candle holders I do also get a lot of questions about. Is from Ross, and the candles are from Goodwill. My lamp is a combination of the leg itself is from a yard sale, and the lampshade is from Goodwill. Guys, you will hear that I shop at Goodwill a lot. I prefer to shop that way because I find different things that I don't find in other stores, and I like it that way. So let's turn around and continue on this fall decor. You will see subtle fall things, but not too much. And here is just the simplicity. I remove the rug, I remove the pillow, the table, I remove everything there. I like it that way because my kid, they sit here, they play here, they can run, and I don't feel any type of, you know, anxiousness that somebody's gonna hurt themselves. And on the wall we have this TV, but the TV was supposed to come here, and I'm still debating, because if the TV comes here, my kid will come to try to sit here and watch TV, right? But the whole purpose of me removing the table over there so that the kids can have freedom in the loft to lounge on this couch. So I think the TV on this wall is okay for now. I have those two book stand which I'm trying to sell. I want nothing right here, nothing over there. I just want this to be empty. And you're like, Gladys, are you crazy? Yes, I have gone crazy. I like a minimal aesthetic, a minimal decor. That's for me. I don't want to have too many things in my home. I prefer it to have empty that way, and you know, that's how I function better. And on the couch we have this pillow. It's very glittery. I love it. It's from Home Goods. It was a set of 2. And this home pillow, remember guys, it's the same pillow that's over there. That one says love, and this one says home on there. And I love it because this is home, right? And these two I also get lots of questions about and lots of requests where I purchased it. Again, don't be surprised. It's from Goodwill. One of them got cracked because you got kids. They break things, so but I glued it back on, so it's still alive. And I love to usually put this on my dining room table. I can put candles and Christmas ornament. It's just so beautiful, and I love that. And the couch, if you're wondering, I don't know where it's from. I bought it from Facebook Marketplace. I just need to give it a good clean because it got very dirty with the kids, but it was brand new, and I purchased it for like $200, which I love. So this is my upstairs fall, you know, 2020 house tour. There's not a lot of things, but it's enough for me that way. I incorporate just some fall things here because I have lots of fall things downstairs. If you have not yet seen those, please go ahead and get those checked out. But yes, just added some gold and white. For me, reminds me of fall, so I added those pillow covers. Also painted these two white to bring some of the fall neutral colors, and add all those hay looking thingies in there, which for me reminds me of fall. Also drip a what is it called, a throw blanket here for some fall. So those are my fall touches that I added in here. I removed the rug. That's why you can see like the rug thing. I just need to run a quick vacuum on there, but I removed the rug and I love the way that looks. It's just simple, and for me it's just best that way. I function better that way. I don't like clutter. I prefer my decor to be minimal, but it may not be minimal enough for some people, but for me it's perfect. So yes guys, this is just a closer look of what those hair looking thingies look like, and I purchased this from Kroger's or King Supers depending on where you are located. So this is what the home looks like over here for fall, and I really love it. Again, bear in mind there will be a wall decor right here, so don't look at that right now, just look at these pretty vases here. Thank you so much guys.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can stay tuned for more videos. And if you have been here with me in this YouTube little corner of YouTube, I truly appreciate you guys. You guys know we go ahead and hit it up in the comments area, and I let you guys know how much I love you all and how much I appreciate you all. So I can't thank you guys enough for this journey on this YouTube channel. So come for more video and living the clutter-free life up in here. Thank you so much guys. God bless you all. Bye bye. Bye y'all.